First of all, I have a crush on, and YouTube is Gacha puppies! Gacha puppies, gacha puppies, gacha puppies. Oh, sorry. I show my face, I'm 8 years old, blah, blah, blah. How old are you? That's person! God. Sorry, guys. You know what? I'm subscribed to you, so you can see me. Bye. And remember, it's Tim Jackson, but I'm Aubrey.